Hello, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to overlay two sets of data into a single graph using Graphpad Prism. On the screen in front of you, you can see some data from an experiment that measured two outcomes in three groups at two different time points. And what we want to do is directly compare these two sets of data. When you look at the data, they're plotted on similar shaped graphs. The graphs have a similar aspect ratio, and the two graphs look quite nice together. But I want to directly compare the data represented by the orange bars with the data represented by the green bars. And what I don't want to do is have the data stood side by side. I want to superimpose the data onto the other data set. Essentially, what I want to do is take this bottom graph and have it on top of the first graph. But there are a few problems here. The second graph has a different scale to the first graph. Well, we can fix that. So let's go to the second graph, which is called response. Double click on the y-axis and change the range to go to 30. Now the two graphs match. I go to my layout and I drop them on. And now the two data sets perfectly align with each other, overlap very nicely, and you can directly compare the outcome from the orange group with the green group. There are a few tweaks we need to do now to make this look good, so we're just going to go through and do them. The first thing we need to do is remove the y-axis and the x-axis labels so that our graph is more consistent. This is easy to do by using the response data set. We simply click on one of the axes, go to frame and origin, and you can hide the y-axis and show the x-axis. While you're there, you can go to the x-axis and hide your labels. This will create this very strange little scale bar on the left-hand side, which you can select and delete. While you're there, you might as well select and delete the title and select and delete the X title. Now when you go to your layout page, you can very neatly line up your orange data set with your green data set. The beauty of Prism is it'll snap very nicely the X and Y axes together. If we highlight both of these graphs, remove our notes and zoom in, you can see there is very good alignment of data and very clear alignment of the figure axes. What is missing is your figure legend. We want to have a legend showing green and orange. Now this is also quite simple, but does require a little bit of copying and pasting. So we go back to our normal graph, double click on any of our data sets and show the legend. I can relabel this control. And then what I do is I cut it. Go to my layout and paste it in. You'll notice that the alignment has now been lost because we inserted a figure legend, but we'll sort that out in a minute. We then go to our response data, double click on any of our data sets, show the legend. We can relabel this response. We then cut this by pressing Command X or Control X, go back to the layout screen and paste in our second figure legend, which we can then align with our first. All that remains to be done is to realign your two data sets. You'll notice now the graph scaling has changed. Again, this is a problem related to inserting legends. So you select both graphs, right click and choose equalize scaling factors and press OK. And now both of our graphs are the same size. We can select all of our data, and if we want to, we can right click and choose group to protect these data from any other changes. You can now copy and paste these data into your word processing program or presentation software. So that's a rough and ready guide to overlaying two sets of data for presentation using Graphpad Prism.